In today's video, I am going to teach you how to assign issues in Zoho projects. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to Zoho projects and you are on your portal home area. This is the main starting point where you can move between different modules, like tasks, milestones, and issues. Assigning issues correctly is important because it makes ownership clear, helps prevent work from being missed, and keeps the team accountable. From the home area, look for the option labeled Issues and click it. This takes you into the Issues section, where you can see a list of all reported items for the project. Depending on your setup, you might be looking at a custom view or a standard list view, but the process for assigning is the same. In the Issues list, locate the Assignee column. The Assignee field is where Zoho Projects shows who is responsible for each issue. Click directly on the Assignee field for the issue you want to update. If the issue does not currently have an owner, you will typically see it marked as unassigned. Next, click on Unassigned. This action opens the selection list for assignees, so you can choose a person to take ownership. In some layouts, you may need to click Unassigned again to fully open the drop-down or to activate the field for editing. If it seems like nothing happened on the first click, simply click the Unassigned label one more time and wait for the list to appear. Once the list is open, you will see available users you can assign the issue to. Click the name of the person you want to assign. As soon as you select a user, Zoho Projects updates the issue and replaces unassigned with the selected assignee. After you assign the issue, take a moment to confirm the change is visible in the assignee column. If you are working with several issues, this same click and select method lets you move quickly down the list and assign ownership consistently. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.